Should we get the piano?
Yes. Fine.
Do you want me to get my piano?
We should all go to the music.
No, I got my portable piano. I can bring it.
Stand on the risers. Stand on the risers.
What is music?
Mr. Lacusta here. We miss each and every one of you. We just wanted to make this video so that you guys know we're doing fine, we're healthy, we're safe, but we're using this time to try to figure out ways that we can connect with each and every one of you. Our teachers, our staff are working extremely hard. It is really strange not having you here with us, but we want you to remember that you need to seek out opportunities to make connections with people. You need to have some courage right now. And you need to show some compassion to people because these are difficult times in Edmonton. But thank you so much to our students. We wish you all the best, and we will be connecting with all of you very soon. So a great big hello from La Pearl School.